So really quickly before my hair dries up, I'm gonna be doing a new wash and go. This one you guys have definitely seen on my channel before, but this is definitely a different it's the same brand, just a different ingredients, I want to say. So quickly, I'm using the As I Am. This one you guys have seen on my channel before. This one is the As I Am curling jelly. This one is the same thing, but this one is the original. This one has just yeah, this one is the original. Sorry, I don't know. And then this one, oh, it's the same thing. Okay, never mind. I don't know why I thought it was a completely different one, but it's definitely the same thing. Of course, they just changed their packaging, but it's been a while. So we are going to do something very exciting today. I really hope my hair turns out. I haven't done a wash and go in a really long time. Fresh pack. I love fresh pack stuff. It's like you're dipping your hand into something exclusive just for you. But since it is the same exact one, I might as well just finish off what's in here, not that much. So that's what I'm going to do. But I am going to mix it with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Smoothie. If you guys can see it. Not a lot in here either. Your girl needs to re-up on some product, but I'm gonna just use what I can. Maybe I do a little style, a little shing-ding for you guys, just so I have more of my smoothie. And then if anything, I just use another product just to braid, or maybe do a braid, maybe I do a twist. Let's see how this goes. Now let's get right into that video. So I went ahead and did a little style. It's not the best, honestly. It was just something to be creative, but we're gonna go ahead and start this wash and go process. Listen to those kids going at it. But So this is the finished style. My hair is not fully defined as I usually would get it, but it's gonna have to work for now. And I hopefully, not hopefully, but I'm hoping it dries pretty nice. And I kind of like the style. I kind of like the poofiness of it. I'm more of a definition type of girl. Like, I need my definition in my hair, but lately, I don't know, after my last pregnancy, my hair has just been like really thick, and it's so hard for me to find products to like help define my hair. So at this point, it's just a learning process from here on out. So follow this journey with me to learn products that, like, you know, help my hair to get defined. Like, I'm learning about my hair as like each of my pregnancies come along. Well, this my last pregnancy. But my first pregnancy, I had like a lot more hair loss. I was still in my hair journey, like growing up my hair and whatnot, and I learned my hair. And then I got pregnant again, and then like my hair just got even more thicker. I stopped doing wash and goes. I stopped doing all the things that like I started this YouTube channel with. So like now I'm honestly just growing with my hair again. So let me go attend to the baby and show you guys the dry results later. Peace. So hey guys, it's the next day. I did go ahead and stretch my hair like I usually do. Well, this is how I slept. Right now I'm gonna go ahead. So guys, this is the finished look. Yes, my hair does have flaking, but I want to say it's because my hair doesn't fully get to dry. But because I have so much shrinkage, I wanted to stretch it overnight so that this morning it wasn't like so much work on my hair. So I guess that's why I have the flaking. So next time I gotta do it early in the morning so that it has the whole day to dry. But other than that, I really like it. Like, it's so nice and bouncy. I love it. I honestly thought I was gonna have like next to no definition, but I am loving it. My hair actually is super duper moisturizing, and I want to say it is these two mixed together and with like a bomb ass deep conditioner. But that is the video before. If you have not seen, make sure you go check that video out, because that will be posted. I'm gonna let you guys know. But these two combinations are definitely bomb. The parts that didn't dry properly, I realized it's the only parts with the flakes, because other than that, like, my hair is pretty good. Like, my hair is like really nice, and then with the flakes. But anyways, let's wrap this video up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you guys are notified every single time your girl posts the videos. Peace, guys.